Hi, I'm Ashley from The Loopy Lamb, and thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing this book, Crochet Iconic Women, Amigurumi Patterns for 15 Women Who Changed the World by Carla Mitrani. So today we're talking about Crochet Iconic Women by Carla Mitrani. This is recently released, and it is a crochet pattern book that has the patterns for 15 iconic ladies that have changed the world throughout history. I really loved this book. The patterns were clear and straightforward. They are written in the US terminology, and there is a very detailed and thorough technique section in the back of the book, which was very helpful. All of the patterns have kind of the same doll shape, but they're customized to look just like the famous lady that they're to represent. What I personally loved the most about this book is that at the beginning of every pattern, there was kind of like an introductory page, and you had a full page image, which was absolutely beautiful, of the pattern. And on the other side, you had a brief description of why that lady was chosen to be featured in this book. I wouldn't have wanted to be Carla Mitrani having to narrow this list down to just 15, but I think she's done a great job. In the introductory section, she actually mentions a potential for a volume 2, and if that is happening, sign me up, because I really did love this book. I'd say this book is probably better set for intermediate crocheters, although the technique section is very thorough and well done. Amigurumi tends to be better suited for intermediate level crocheters. The illustrations and the book itself is gorgeous from cover to cover, and I learned something that I didn't know about each of the ladies in the book. The introductions, again, were brief, but there was enough information to keep me interested and to make me want to learn more about those ladies. For instance, there is a pattern in the book for Florence Nightingale, and there's a reference that she was known as the Lady of the Lamp. I was not aware of that before, and it led me on a Google search to learn more about Florence Nightingale and how she impacted the healthcare systems throughout the world. So really interesting. I love that that was included. And also a quote from each famous lady is included with the patterns as well. Just really well thought out, really well detailed. Absolutely loved it. So some of the patterns in the book for the ladies that are included are Amelia Earhart, Florence Nightingale, Marie Curie, Queen Elizabeth, Cleopatra, Billie Holiday, and Katharine Hepburn, just to name a few. There's many more. Like I said, there's 15, and there's something for everyone. In the end of the book, the author goes on to kind of give you that inspiration to say, use these dolls and their patterns to mix and match to create your own icon. If you have young ladies in your life that you'd love to inspire with a famous lady that has impacted history in a big way, then I suggest that you pick up, or at least consider taking a look at Crochet Iconic Women by Carla Mitrani. I doubt you'll be disappointed, because I sure wasn't. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.